Design efficiency improvement. ZW3D 2026 further optimizes the design efficiency in different scenarios, like opening large assembly drawings, creating drawing view projections, and designing in multi-solids drawing. Now let's take a look. Compared with ZW3D 2025, the efficiency of opening large assembly drawings in ZW3D 2026 has been further improved. In industries such as machinery and equipment and boilers, the products are large in size, so the assembly drawing files are also larger. This improvement saves a lot of time and better supports the smooth design process of large assemblies. In addition, the efficiency of parts and geometric projection of drawing view has been improved. It can be seen that without turning on hidden lines and center lines, ZW3D 2026 is faster in creating projections. Finally, the design efficiency is also optimized in multi-solids drawing. Now we try to create a hole in a drawing containing 4,500 solids. It can be seen that the hole creation speed in ZW3D 2026 is much faster than that in 2025. ZW3D 2026 has improved efficiency in different design scenarios, greatly improving the work efficiency of designers. Download it now to try it out.